Welcome to my video of me showing love to my golden Land Cruiser. I hope you'll enjoy it. So if you have a rattling or a noisy cooler box, especially at stop or while driving at high speeds, then this video is for you. No step-by-step presentation today because I already done this fix before I started this channel, and it did solve the problem, and I thought to share it with you guys. However, I do have a few clips, random clips I took at the time, and I will include them in this video. So yeah, let's get to it. So the fix to this problem is rather simple. This cooler box have these rubber cushions that support it and keep it together and prevent it from vibrating. For my cooler box style, there are 5 of them. 1, 2, and these 2 at the back. There's one back there at the corner. And yeah, in my case, this one at the back or at the corner, and these 2, while on the box, they looked pretty fine. But once I removed them and compared them to the new pieces, it was pretty clear how squash they are. And for these two were completely missing. Like the top piece of the cushion was beheaded, and the remaining piece fell inside the cover. And yeah, I did manage to replace all 5 of them easily. And next I'll share the 2 random videos I took about the before and after result. So to replace these 2 cushions at the front, all you need to do is just to unscrew these 4 screws, and this whole piece will come off. And then either you cut the cushions or you just pull them out and press the new ones in. Just make sure once you do all of this not to over tighten these screws, because you do not want to strip the plastic. Also make sure to use the right screwdriver as not to strip the head. As for these 2 cushions at the back and the one at the corner, it's a little bit more involved to replace them, because this cover piece needs to come off. In order to remove this cover, you will have to remove this entire cooler box head or cover or whatever you want to call it completely off by unscrewing these 2 screws and these 2. So once you remove this cooler box cover or head off, it may look complicated, it may look like 2 pieces glued together, but actually it's not. Just pull from here, and this plastic piece will slide off from the main top side. So part numbers, the part number for these 2 cushions and these 2 is the same. There it is, and that's how they look like. I ordered myself a few spares for the future. However, for the one at the corner, it's have a different part number, and that's the part number for it. Only follow these part numbers if you have the same cooler box style as me. Otherwise, check with your part supplier. So yeah, I hope that was useful. I'd say if you have children who like to sit on the cooler box often, you may want to look into these cushions. I'm sure you'll find them already destroyed and squashed. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep your Land Cruisers happy, and don't forget to cherish yourself. Bye.